Hello, I am Dr. Moupali Chakraborty, a Senior Research Engineer at Nuclear Advanced Manufacturing Research Center. This is the research group of University of Sheffield, and we help UK manufacturing companies to win work in nuclear and beyond. We are also part of High Value Manufacturing Catapult, which bridges the gap between academia and business. And our main motto is to turn the great ideas into commercial realities through R&D facilities. I am truly overwhelmed to be recognized as one of the manufacturer top 100 for the year 2024. This means a lot to me, and it will further motivate me to continue striving for excellence in my work. In my research organization, the most inspiring about my working is the manufacturing innovation. We work with the UK companies to solve their manufacturing problem and also give new technical capabilities so that they can compete on the cost, quality and delivery. Nuclear MRC nominated me for the successful delivery of the Cross Catapult project of Manufacturing Energy Toolkit. That's the MET, where we helped 12 UK companies in the last 6 months to move towards the carbon neutrality, to reduce their energy consumption and to increase their productivity.